Hello science fans! How was your Halloween? I particularly enjoyed listening to scary stories and watching scary movies, especially those with monsters or cryptids involved.
Must be a million of them! Nope, just one.
Cryptids are creatures or beings that are believed to exist, but their existence has not been proven by scientific evidence. They are often associated with folklore, myths, and urban legends, and are often described to be elusive and mysterious. Examples of cryptids include the Loch Ness Monster, Bigfoot, and the Chupacabra. Any cryptid sightings are considered as hoaxes or misidentifications of real animals.
What?
A lot of people still believe they exist, so they remain a popular topic of interest in popular culture and cryptozoology. But did you know that there's a branch of research that discovers ancient monsters that could be cryptids all the time? But before I talk about this fascinating field of science, let me first say hi to our new viewers. My name is Chona and I'm your resident Filipina scientist. I'm a researcher in the field of molecular biology, and I love how the DNA connects the past and the present of all living things. I'm also a teacher in the field of biology and ecology, and we teach our students that events in the past have shaped our environment of today. And SHE-ensya is my science communication channel, where I love sharing fascinating new information to my community. So, about ancient monsters, what's the latest? Researchers have found really old fossils of a massive sea creature that lived 170 million years ago, back in the time of dinosaurs. These fossils are from the oldest known, super huge sea predator known as the pliosaur, which could be related to the long-necked plesiosaurs. The fossils were discovered in northeastern France 40 years ago and were recently studied by a team of scientists from different countries. Pliosaurs were a type of plesiosaurs that had a short neck but a large skull. They existed more than 200 million years ago but didn't become major players in the ocean until later. This new research suggests that their rise to dominance was caused by the discovery of unique ways to catch their food and also the decline of other predators 170 million years ago. The scientists named this newly discovered pliosaur Lorrainosaurus. It had a huge jaw with cone-shaped teeth and a large body that's shaped like a torpedo.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Lorrainosaurus was one of the first really massive pliosaurs and led to a whole dynasty of these giant sea predators that ruled the ocean for about 80 million years. This ancient creature was probably about 6 meters long from head to tail and lived somewhere in the early Middle Jurassic. We don't know much about plesiosaurs from that time, so this discovery is pretty exciting. The study of the Lorrainosaurus also tells us that the reign of these massive sea predators started earlier than we thought, and that they were able to adapt to changes in the environment in Western Europe as early as the Middle Jurassic. This adds important information about marine reptiles from the time of dinosaurs. Of course, we wouldn't have been able to make this discovery without the process of fossilization. Fossils are formed through a process that takes millions of years and involves several steps. The first step sadly involves death.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa!
As an organism dies, it can be quickly or slowly covered by sand or mud as it slowly decomposes. If the organism is buried by sediment, it gets protected from scavengers and environmental factors. Over time, more and more sediment accumulates on top of it. As the organism's remains gets buried deeper, the mineral surrounding it slowly seeps into its body, replacing the organic matter in its tissues and bones. This process is called mineralization. The layers of sediment continue to build up over time, putting pressure on the buried remains. This pressure can cause the minerals in the organism to harden and turn into rock, forming a fossil. And then, geological processes like tectonic movements or earthquakes can actually bring these fossils back up to the surface. And with the process of erosion, they can become exposed for scientists and paleontologists to discover. Fossils are like snapshots of ancient life, and they provide valuable information about the Earth's history and the organisms that lived long ago. There are still many ancient monsters that can be discovered through the field of paleontology. The Earth is a vast and diverse planet, and numerous unexplored areas, especially in remote or inaccessible regions, hold the potential for new fossil discoveries. Technological advancements have greatly enhanced our ability to uncover and study fossils, making some of those elusive specimens more accessible to us now. Additionally, climate change, as it alters landscapes and exposes previously buried rock formations, can lead to the revelation of new fossils. International collaboration among scientists and knowledge sharing further increase the likelihood of significant discoveries. Innovative research methods and the willingness to explore even unexpected places, such as urban areas during construction projects, also contribute to the ongoing quest for ancient creatures. As a result, the Earth's ancient history becomes a rich source of undiscovered species and fascinating creatures from the past. But what do you think? Could our monstrous myths and legends be about creatures that lived in the past? Do you think some of them could still exist somewhere out there? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below.